Okay, I just kicked off recording.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's so precondition you need to add. Let's see
Yeah.
your steps here to
Yeah.
see what you have for testing.
It will be admin. There was some confusion with me and my friend. It will be admin user, right? Here it is written admin. So I'm
So
not.
if you look at the module, this
Yeah.
system is designed differently, right? Anybody you
Okay.
can give access to anybody to any screen.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be admin user.
Okay.
So you can simply write it. I mean, login. So again, now you need to have a third precondition then, right?
Okay.
Because the you want to have a user that has access to the cartridge inventory module.
Okay. Okay.
So you can say that whatever the username exists with the access to the cartridge inventory. That would be
Yeah.
your third precondition.
Second, I have written, Narzal, I have written like admin user exists with credential. I should write that user one exists with credential. I think I should change it.
No, whatever user one with the access to the cartridge inventory mode, because the access works differently. It's not like there is
Yeah.
admin user who has access to everything, and
Everything. Okay.
it's not like that. It's not like Rflon,
Aflon. Yeah. Sorry. We are
right?
thinking in that direction. Yeah.
Yeah, because you need to in this, if you refer to the whatever roles module,
Hmm.
user and roles module, right? You will see it how they assign the permissions and so forth. So, but
So
you can
everybody is not allowed to every yeah, like receiving page somebody else is dealing and inventory flow somebody else.
yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
That's correct. Yep,
Okay.
yep. So specific users have access to the specific modules.
Specific model. Okay.
So as long as you say that, I mean, user XYZ with
Yeah.
access to receiving module, I mean, cartridge inventory module already exists in the system.
System. Okay.
Yeah.
And should I write like the laser saver inventory page? Is it right?
It's a cartridge inventory, right? That's
Cartridge
what they are referring. So you probably want to say cartridge inventory.
cartridge inventory page. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll change.
So you have three preconditions so
Three
far, right?
Yeah.
Because without that you cannot execute your test case.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's take a look at it the stepwise. So go on.
No.
With it.
Yeah. Then we can put the cartridge on the electronic scale, and I am able to see the cartridge weight there. Should I do one? It has to be less than 135, right?
So before you even do that, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, would it work if you simply put the cartridge on the scale?
I thought so. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Because remember what
Yeah.
you just added in the precondition.
Mm,
In the second one, what did we just add?
uh,
So we said you're gonna add two more preconditions, right?
yes.
So one cartridge already exists with us for a
Exist.
specific manufacturer,
Okay.
right? And the third
Yeah.
one is the user exists, right?
Yeah.
So think about how are your steps complete for this thing now with the condition number two. So if you
Uh,
simply come to the screen and put the
yeah.
scale, do you think it will read it appropriately and give you the result? Because that's what you have, right? In the steps.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're
My
coming to the screen.
understanding was like
You
that.
need
I thought.
I
Yeah.
think we need to select the cartridge first,
That is
then go
correct.
for
That
the
is correct. Right.
because
So
if
you
there is
still
no
need to have
cartridge, if
right.
there is no cartridge, then how will wait?
Yeah. So you need to follow the actual steps. So you select some customer vendor, whatever minimum, right? Maybe category, select certain thing, but the manufacturer is very important, right? Because you
Okay,
can
that
select
one.
the
Yeah.
specific cartridge.
Okay.
Same cartridge type you need to select here.
So select put the cartridge HP 1234.
Yes,
Else,
that,
yeah.
whatever you specify in the precondition, you make sure you
Precondition.
select
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah. And then that will show the electronic scale is attached means that will show that one, right?
Yeah, and well, no, electronic scale is attached. So you select that. Hey, I'm processing this particular cartridge.
Yeah.
Now I selected. I know it's HP and its manufacturer number is this.
Yes.
I already have that some default setup on the cartridge whatever the cartridge list page in the backend, right?
Yes.
In the other module. And
Yeah.
I know cartridge already exists. So when you put the actual cartridge on the scale, it will read it and apply the calculation.
Yes.
Because you selected HP cartridge, it will apply the defaults
Yes.
for HP and calculate it and give you the red or whatever green results.
Green. Yeah. And the
Right.
background, background of white field display is red. So we can check like this. It will be like this red. The right
Yeah,
side.
so but you're missing other steps, okay? So you need to add those steps, and then you can say it is step number 4. Once it calculates, verify that red color is displayed.
Yeah, I'll just add that number 2 there, and I'll put the preconditions.
Yeah, you need
Yes.
to add a precondition, additional steps
Yeah.
for data, right?
Data.
Because you need to make sure you select everything, then only the scale will read it properly and
Yeah.
Right.
I got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, I'll add it.
let's see what else you have.
Yeah.
So test data, right? Whatever you're selecting, manufacturer number,
So
you can
test
put it in
data.
yeah, like what category you are selecting, manufacturer number is important and manufacturer is important.
Important. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and at this point, yeah, you don't need to put anything else. Like you are not
Okay.
doing any processing like identical or different or anything. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can stop at that data.
Only manufacturer number and year number.
Well, manufacturer number, those things, right? Whatever is
Those
relevant to the cartridge.
relevant. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. So think it through, right?
Sure.
And revise it.
Yeah.
Discuss
I'll put it.
internally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll Saturday. Yeah, I'll edit and
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Harshal, should we go for the next one?
Let me ask other team, see if they have it.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will come back. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you can stop sharing, Jimmy.
Okay.
So anybody from the other team, if you guys have anything, feel free to go ahead and share.
We have it, Harshal. We'll share.
Yes, go ahead and share, Ramya. And I think you guys were working on the DevOps, right?
I worked in both, Harshal.
Okay.
Like
All right, that's
writing the
fine.
proper test case gives me idea to how to do it in the DevOps.
Sure,
So I
sure.
did both.
Yep.
And
Yep.
share the-
Me and Pankaja work in DevOps. So we
Yeah,
have
I did it both. Yeah, I did both.
Okay.
Like,
But make sure you work as a team. Okay.
yeah. We
Okay.
worked as a team only.
All
Every
right.
day we spent almost 1 hour meeting and
All right. That's good then. Yeah. Okay.
this is for ready to ship button, Harshal.
Okay. Yep. Go ahead. Can you share your screen as well, just to give
Okay,
everybody
sorry.
idea?
I didn't
What
share.
is your
I'm so
test case?
sorry.
So what are
But
you testing?
Harshal,
Right?
it's a good experience though to work as a team and every day sit down, discuss. We loved it.
Yeah. I mean, that's how it works, right? In the real life as well. So
Yeah.
Harshal, can you see my screen?
not
I
the other
think-
one. We can see your screen.
Can
But,
you do the split screen? It will be easy.
Oh, no, split screen I didn't do. Maybe I'll stop this class. Like
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
open the desktop. Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. If you share the desktop, then you can flip back and forth if you want.
Okay. I'll do that. So I have to do this screen or screen only I have to do or
Yeah. If you select the whatever is selected by default, which will be screen, then it will share your desktop.
okay. Okay. Now this is
Okay. So I think it didn't share it, but let's talk about what
Now we
test
can
case.
see your
What is it?
PDF.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you need to
Yeah, you
show
can
your-
see maybe. I don't know how to share the both thing. Like in the G Talk, we did like sharing the whole screen, but I don't know how to do it in the Zoom. Can you tell me? I can try,
So
Harshal.
you can just
Yeah,
share the
it's just a screen. That's what you need to select. The first one by default, just let it
Screen,
select and
yeah.
click on share. Yeah, click on share afterwards. So
Okay.
you will
Or
see
you
screen,
can-
whiteboard for iPhone, whatever, and then you will see individual documents. Just leave it,
Okay.
leave the screen
Okay.
selected, and then
It's
click on share.
showing like basic, advanced, and files. So I have to select
Yeah, just basic.
advanced,
No,
just
just go in the
basic.
basic. Yeah.
and I
Yep.
have to select the screen as my
Yep,
test
yep,
case, or
No, just select the screen.
okay, I have to select both. Oh, I don't have option to select both screen and the.
No, just select the screen. That's all.
Okay.
You don't have to
Can you
select
do alt tab? Alt tab is also working.
Alt tab. Okay.
Let's see first it comes up. If you select the screen on the basic, I think it should work.
I did. This is only coming.
Okay, so it's a browser.
How about you do the split screen over there where we are maximizing, minimizing, just
That's a box
Yeah.
square.
I can just open the laser saver and show you guys. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that. If you can't share both at the same time, then we'll just take a look at the screen first, explain the test case, and then you can flip back to this one.
Okay. Let
And
me
what-
open
which
that
module
screen
is
first
it?
or the test case now.
Is it a receiving module?
This is
So
like
this
a ready to ship warranty information, ready to
Oh,
ship
okay.
module.
Ready.
Can you flip to the screen first? I think that
Okay.
would be easier.
To the
Okay.
laser PDF.
I'll do that.
Yep.
I didn't get the idea, or else we also would have did like how Daisy did.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's a
she's using
split
MacBook.
screen.
So, yep.
Yeah, it's a split screen. You just go to the maximize
Yeah.
where you are doing maximize. If you put the
Okay.
cursor over there, it will give you the option to split the
Okay.
screen.
Okay.
Okay.
So this button I did, Harshal. For the
Shipping button?
warranty information, shipping button we did. Yes.
Okay.
And
Do you
for
have
the-
anything else for this one other than shipping button? I'm
Shipping
interested
button
in
we
the
did,
business
and the
process.
ready to ship. Yeah, ready to ship
Okay.
we did.
How about we go, if you can share the ready to ship one?
Yeah,
if
ready
any
to
of
ship.
you-
Yeah, ready to
yeah.
ship we have.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
so, like we did the warranty ID, like we just like lookup field warranty ID,
Okay.
and it's like auto generated 10 alphanumeric ID.
Okay.
Then here we go to the category and select a category. What problem is that?
Okay.
Then the subcategory, we select like what defect is that. When we
Sure.
select these two, the currently
Okay.
selected problem will display on the screen.
Okay.
Then we click ready to ship.
Okay. So
And
now
the
you can flip
information-
back to the screen. Okay. Then flip
Okay.
back to the actual test case for that
Okay.
one.
Yeah, I will do it. Yeah, this is like,
Ready to ship one.
Um,
Okay. Gotcha.
yeah.
Okay. So,
Precondition, I put laser saver URL exist.
Okay.
And we thought admin is doing, so admin exists in system with valid credential. And auto-generated warranty ID.
okay. So the first precondition, right? It's not really precondition, right? Because laser saver will be there. Without that, you cannot execute anything.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, so we don't have
So
to put it as a
you don't have to
precondition.
put that. No, that's you never put that in, because
Okay.
without that, I mean, if the application does not come up, you can't do anything. So that
Okay.
will be part of your smoke test. So
Okay.
yep.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. The second part is admin exist, right? So again,
System.
I think what
Mm.
we just discussed for the
Yes.
cartridge module, right? So you need to update it accordingly,
Okay. Okay.
because admin doesn't mean that he has access to he or she will have access to the warranty.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
need to say specifically the user that has a warranty
Okay.
where the access exists in the system.
But they should be having a login ID, right? To log in the system?
Yes. So
Okay.
you assume that user XYZ
Okay.
with access to warranty module exists in the
Module and
system.
he okay. So
Yeah.
we shouldn't put exist in the system, but user can access with valid credential. We have to put it like that.
No, here this is a precondition, right?
So he
So
can, okay.
yeah,
exist.
so I mean, however you want to word it, but as long as you say someone with the warranty ID or warranty access exists in the system, that's all you are saying, right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
So
So-
here you said admin instead of that, some whatever XYZ user with the warranty module access exists in the system, basically,
I will
or
modify
exists
it.
in the system with valid credential.
So, user with
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to
warranty.
change it here, but
Okay.
I just want to make sure you can.
Okay, I'll
check
change
it.
it later. Yeah. Okay.
Now
sure.
here the last precondition, okay?
Mm.
So you are assuming the auto-generated warranty ID exists.
Yeah, because if
Yeah.
we put like a warranty number, then we can't do the integration testing, right? So we thought, okay, so we'll put auto-generated warranty ID.
Yes, but then you will not, your test case. Let's see your step, because I think
Okay.
you need to do a little bit more work here. Okay, we will
Okay.
come back to that
Okay.
particular one.
Okay, Harsha.
All right.
Okay. So
Okay,
at test
so-
summary, we put
Yep.
this test case validates the functionality of ready to ship button.
Okay,
So yeah, this is the test steps we did. In the browser, first go to Laser Saver homepage.
sure.
Then we thought admin, so I have to change it.
Yep.
Like
Okay.
he has to log in using user ID and password.
Right.
Then
Okay.
he has to click on warranty button tab, like that
Right.
warranty information page, that screen has to display.
Sure. Okay.
So
That's the
then,
navigation. Yep.
yes, yeah. And this is like click on the warranty lookup field and select 10-digit alphanumeric ID. So
Yeah.
that
So
lookup field
here,
yeah.
right? So if the warranty ID, which warranty ID they should be selecting and what's supposed to show up, right?
Okay.
So if they don't see anything, does it mean it failed? I mean, the system is not working?
Okay. So we have to put some number.
Well, you need to be very specific. So 10 digit, if you are expecting certain warranty ID, then you
Mhm.
probably, and you already said, right, warranty ID exists.
Yes, yeah.
So you should be very specific. You should say that whatever warranty ID, but it will not be repeatable. Okay, in that case,
Okay.
because if you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever 10-digit number, right, whatever number,
Okay.
once you select it, is gone from the system.
Okay. So it
So
is
if you
not
run it next
repeatable.
time, it's not going to be repeatable,
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
I have
it's
to-
unique, right? It's
unique.
unique.
Okay.
right? So that's a unique number. So
Unique
how do you
number.
get around it,
Yeah. Okay.
right? Because whether you put it in precondition or here, I mean, again, it's not going to be repeatable for you.
Okay. Okay. So
So does anybody have any idea how do you make sure it's repeatable, this test case?
Now we have to go and check the warranty ID in the list. That
No,
it
that's
should
what they
not
are
there.
doing, right?
Yeah,
That's what number 4 step is, to check it and pick something.
it should not exist in the database. Like, I mean, it should be unique. So
I know, but how do you make sure that every time you pick the one, or you have something available every time when you run this test case?
there is a warranty list. Daisy, we're discussing something, right? Warranty list. Something is there. I mean, I'm not able to explain.
No, that one they're doing it. They're pulling the warranty ID from there, but
Right.
the question is how it will be like unique every time.
It will be unique every time.
So whenever you pick that warranty ID and put somewhere, so it will show that.
It should be
It's not,
alphanumeric, 10 character, and it
And
should
it's
not.
not repeatable. And it's
It is not
repeatable.
repeatable. Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to create
we can't
What?
create it's auto-generated ID, right?
Yeah, we can create.
But
Yeah, for-
you are not typing it in, but system auto generates, right?
Yeah.
So how do you ensure that whatever is auto generated, you feed it into this tab that you have? So every time you run this test case, and if you want to make sure it's unique, you have to go
Mhm.
create the warranty ID.
Mhm.
But we need to prove that it's unique, right?
Well, you are not proving that it's unique here, right?
Okay,
Here you
yeah,
are just
yeah.
saying, hey, do I see the warranty ID? Can I pick it
Uh-huh.
and process it,
So-
right?
So how to create a
Yeah.
warranty ID also? Like, I
So
could
how
not-
do you? That's you guys, right? How do you guys? What do you think?
So it is auto generated when you.
Yeah, we all already taken like that. It is auto generated, so we never thought it would.
Yeah, that is what we also thought. It's auto-generated, so we can't create, we thought.
So Herschel, we have to
But-
go the cartridge inventory page.
That's correct.
Yes,
That's exactly
and
what it
then
is.
we have to, this like basically depend on the weight. And then
The
it-
weight that then it will, but it is showing that the print label will come and ID will come. For
Yes,
me, like
that's
yeah, after
that's
that-
exactly what it is.
exactly.
So
Yeah.
that's that you need to repeat the steps here,
Okay.
those
okay.
things. And you don't have to, you are
Okay,
not
so-
testing the cartridge inventory functionality, okay?
Mhm,
But
mhm.
you need to put the steps here so that you can have at least the auto-generated ID, warranty ID created
No, yeah.
using your
The-
steps, because cartridge module has so many things to test, right? You are
Yes.
not responsible for testing that. As long as you are able to generate the unique ID that flows to your module here and you can pick it, that will guarantee you unique ID every time, and you can run this test case every time.
Yes. Now got it.
Okay. Got it?
Got it. Ashwin.
How about you guys, Ramya? Does it make sense to you guys?
Yes,
Uh,
yes,
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 yes.
Ashwin.
Okay. So you can put the all test data, right? All you have to do is you can say it, I mean, here,
Mhm.
create a warranty ID based on this test data. So you come up with the test data,
Okay.
whatever that will generate the warranty ID.
Mhm.
Okay. All the fields that goes on the screen, you need to make sure you need to pick it basically. Okay.
So we are doing this because the warranty ID is depends on weight. That's why.
No. Because these guys need the
Should not
warranty
be
ID.
repeated. Yeah.
Because
They
right
need
now it's if you hard code it, right, it's not repeatable. This
Uh-huh,
test case.
Mhm.
This case is not suitable.
uh,
That's the reason they have to go and create it. And in real life, you will go and create it. Okay. If I'm
okay.
testing it in the real life, I'll go and create the warranty IDs
Mhm.
okay.
before I run this test case or as part of my test case.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
So, but yeah, okay. But what Rashmita has done, that one is we are right, I think. She did for the checking the that is unique. Warranty ID is unique. So we thought it should be like we can go back and check that in the list it doesn't exist and it is not repeatable. So is it fine for that one?
I'm not sure what you just said. So when you say Rashmita, so are you referring to the same test case, step number 4?
No,
it-
she has done a different.
Yeah, we did some different way because in inventory.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
we
So
did.
let's
the
take a look at it
demonstration.
after this one. Okay.
After this
Yeah,
one. Yeah,
yeah.
so that I
Alright.
will be clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
that it makes it more clear.
More
But here,
clear.
you guys got it, right? So
Yeah,
those
yeah.
steps need
But
to
Yeah.
go there. You just
but
need to
Harshal,
include.
I didn't get it because how to like we have to create the warranty ID, right? So it comes with a you're talking about that bar that page number that comes with a barcode and all those.
So how do you generate a warranty ID? See, in the cartridge inventory module,
Oh, now I got it. Okay, got it.
right? Because that warranty
Yeah.
ID, you fill out all the
Yes.
details.
Yes, yes,
You
I got
pick
it.
the right thing.
Yeah, yeah,
If it's out of tolerance, then
yes.
you say identical or different, whatever, doesn't matter, right?
Mhm,
Here,
mhm.
because
Mhm.
all you need is a warranty ID. You say, and then you move on to this screen here, warranty screen.
Got it.
And warranty that warranty ID is supposed to show up there so that you can pick it and continue your test case
Yes.
Oh,
execution.
okay. So completely new one we have to create. Okay,
Yes.
Mhm.
okay.
We didn't think about it. We
Then
thought it
only
is
you can
auto-generated.
guarantee,
We just left.
yeah,
Yeah.
it will work every
Mm.
time.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so hopefully you guys understand. You can add those
Yes,
steps
yes,
here
Yeah,
instead
we'll
of number
revise the step,
4,
Harshal.
right?
Yeah.
Instead of number 4, you can add those maybe 5 steps or 3 steps, however you want to write it. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
you need to add those things. All right.
Okay.
So after that, so let's say you pick the warranty ID. Now you
Mhm.
are picking the Hooper problem.
From the
Okay.
category list.
And the
yeah.
category and defect. So you are selecting these things, but I don't see them, any of them listed in the precondition,
Oh, I have to put it in the precondition.
right?
Okay.
Because
Mm.
Hooper problem, what is Hooper problem? Nobody knows, right? Unless it exists in the system on the
We
defect
don't know. Okay.
category
Yeah.
module, it's not going to show up here.
Okay.
Uh,
So I have to add it in
Defect,
the precondition.
yeah, defect module. So you have a Hooper problem and the subcategory defect 1 is also created as part
Created,
of the
so that is also
setup,
I have to
right?
add.
Already also exist.
Okay, I have to add both. Okay.
Yep,
Oh.
you have to add both.
So,
So once
it should be written like, okay, that cartridge has defect this with the subcategory this, and it's already the problem is there, right?
no, the Hooper problem
Uh-huh.
exists on the defect category
Defect
module,
category.
category list or
Oh,
category module, whatever.
okay,
It's set
okay,
up. It
okay.
already
And the
exists.
defect one
Already
is
exist. Okay.
Defect one
already
is
existing in the
already
subcategory.
assigned or basically to the Hooper problem
Mhm,
as a
mhm.
subcategory. That would be your third precondition,
Okay.
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 right?
Okay, Harsha. I'll
So
change it.
all those things, without that you cannot test.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Harsha.
All right. So now let's once you add those things, then I'm good with the step number 7. Hooper
Okay.
problem defect one displayed successfully in the problem list. Okay, so that's good. So let's move on to the 8 and below. Now you click ready to ship button. So submit information system, page is cleared, cursor is placed on the warranty lookup field.
Yes.
Okay, so submits the information to the system, the page is cleared and cursor is placed. Okay, so you probably want to say that verify that information is submitted, right? A
Okay.
page is cleared because these are verification steps, right?
Verification. Okay.
Mhm.
Expected results. So you need to
Mhm.
verify something,
Okay.
right? So those 3 things need to happen.
Okay.
Then you go on to the shipping tab.
Okay.
Items to be shipped will only be displayed on the shipping. Okay,
So just to
items to be.
validate this. Yeah.
No, but what you are saying is the ready to ship, this particular warranty ID is shown in the list, right?
Hmm.
You need to make sure whatever warranty ID you selected, it shows up on
Warranty
the
ID,
shipping
selected
page.
warranty ID we have to
Yeah,
mention. Okay.
on the shipping page,
Okay, Harsha. Yeah.
because you
also.
marked it as shipping, right? Ready to ship.
Yes.
So
Yes.
so
Okay.
that would be verification for number 9.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think you probably copied from there from the requirement, but you need to
Yes.
be very specific. What is supposed to show up? What are you verifying on shipping?
Okay.
It's the
Okay,
warranty
Harsha.
ID, what you just selected,
Selected warranty
supposed
ID.
to show up. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And step number 10, you don't need it. Okay.
We don't need it. Okay.
Yeah. There's no added value, right? For step number 10,
Mhm.
log
Okay.
out. I mean, you're gonna log out. I mean, that has nothing to do with the warranty screen or warranty test case.
Okay. Okay, Harsha.
Okay.
We'll change and we'll add the steps.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Stop the screen share.
Sounds good. Yep. All right. I see there's another team as well. Anybody else? Any other test case that anybody will want to discuss before we go to the warranty one?
Yeah. We have other team members, right? Yeah.
I know there's a team number 3. I mean, anybody wants to share anything? If not, we'll move to the team number. I mean, Daisy and her team.
Mhm.
Okay. All right, Daisy. Let's go
Oh.
on.
Okay.
Whoever wants to share from your team.
So I have everything, so I am sharing it.
Okay.
Can everybody see this?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's stay on the page number 1. See what you have,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Verify the warranty ID must be unique and alphanumeric.
Yeah, we are
Okay.
proving that. Yeah.
So are you proving both things? First of all, it has to be unique.
Mm-hmm.
Second thing, it's
Alphanumeric.
alphanumeric.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So cartridge C1, cartridge C2 exist. Okay. Associated with the customer 1. What's your thought process? Let us understand your steps. If you can explain the steps on the screen that you have, what
Okay.
exactly you are doing.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and explain actually.
Okay, so here go to the URL, and I'm here using as login as a user, because any user means so can log in. So I did that user can log in, And
So again, here you need to update it based on what we discussed earlier, right?
yeah,
Make
yeah, I
sure
do.
you have the specifics. So let's jump to the what is that you are testing and how you are proving. First of all, the warranty ID generated is unique, and
Mhm.
second thing is alphanumeric, right? That's your goal.
Yes.
Okay.
So while so I did that one as a damaged one. So
Okay.
first I click on that three dot. After clicking that one, then I select that customer one, because customer one is associated with the cartridge C1.
Okay.
So that's why I selected customer one. Then
Okay.
after that, because it is damaged, so I still click on the damage button, damaged field. Then after that, it will allow me to yes or no button. So I select again yes. So the
So
color.
let me ask you one thing. So if your warranty is not out of it's within the tolerance, would you be
Mhm,
able to? So you are saying if you select the damage as yes,
mhm,
and if you said warranty eligible yes,
mhm.
right? That's what you are saying, even though it's,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
within the tolerance.
yeah. I select is it warranty eligible? Then I click on yes button. So because
Okay.
yeah, that's that thing I did here.
Okay, but I don't see that you don't have manufacturer number and other things selected. So you are not saying warranty eligible based on the weight scale. You are going
Yeah,
directly to the damage.
So Harshal,
yeah,
should we mention here that it's in a normal weight and it's damaged?
Yeah, so you need to look at the rules again. What is required for the warranty, right? So
Uh-huh,
because you are testing the warranty flow here.
uh-huh,
So
mhm,
if on the right side, right, if you flip back to what makes it warranty eligible, right? So if
mhm.
you maybe go to the rules section, business rules,
Rule.
or go to the flow, either one should have
Workflow.
it.
Yeah, it's like defect and it's weight here will be
Yeah, damage. It will be
damage
two way,
that
so
Right.
it
way.
can be
Yeah,
normal.
Okay. So damage weight is normal, right?
normal
Yes.
Yeah.
warranty
Then
eligible.
after that, if it is damaged, then you can see that if it is yes, then you need to find out the is it warranty eligible or not.
Okay. But weight has to be there, it sounds like, to be in the flow,
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
right?
we should mention normal over there, I guess, because it's not heavy, because we are making it damaged, so we should do
Right.
it normal
that would
So
be
weight.
one line like weight is normal. Yeah.
yeah, but so you need to include the steps for
So
those
here
things.
I need to include after 4, I think I need to include that normal here. Then after that, I select 5. I
But
Well,
put
Harshal, can
you
we
need
put
to
it in
have
the
the
precondition? Precondition also
no,
we
no,
can
you
put
don't
in.
want to
No?
put these
Okay.
type of things in the preconditions.
Okay.
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 This
yeah,
thing
I need to
supposed to,
yeah.
yeah.
I need to check that one. Is it a normal or it is heavy?
No,
Heavy.
but you have to say the cartridge with this thing, right? That precondition has to be there because you have to
Mm-hmm,
process a specific cartridge,
mm-hmm,
HP XYZ manufacturer number,
mm-hmm.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Then
So
you
in
say that cartridge with this weight,
Yes.
mm-hmm,
you're gonna use it. So you need to add the step, and then
mm-hmm,
it will say it's a green or it's a normal cartridge. But
mm-hmm,
then you look at it and say, oh, it's defective though. Weight is correct, but it's
mm-hmm.
defective. So I'm
Okay.
gonna mark damage yes on the screen
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
then say warranty eligible. So it's kind of
Mm-hmm.
like a manual determination
Yeah, I
for
need
the
to add
warranty
more
eligible.
steps here. Yeah.
Right,
Mm-hmm.
right. Because you need to
Then
complete the flow. Okay.
mhm,
Because
Mhm.
yeah.
otherwise,
So actually, I thought that if I selected damage one, then warranty eligible yes or no, then I go. I thought in that way.
right,
So
right.
I need to
But
add more about weight.
yes, yes.
No,
Because
Mm-hmm.
actually
you are
we,
missing the couple of steps from the flow. Okay, that's all.
yeah.
So you just
Yeah.
need to add those things in, and then you can
Okay.
say, yep, warranty is damage. Basically, cartridge is damaged, so will mark it as a warranty eligible.
Yeah, because we
Okay.
can't do it heavy, so we have to do normal because we are
Right.
doing
No.
damage part.
Yep, yep,
Mhm.
yep.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
so it is
So
fine. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So I need to add these steps, weight steps after 4. Yeah. Yeah.
Right,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Yeah, then after that, actually I wrote cartridge C1 instead of C1, I need to say HP or something kind of.
Yes, because
Or
you need to say cartridge C1 exists, but you don't know with what condition, right? So you probably want to use something that is known by everybody, right? So either
Yes.
Okay.
HP or some
Okay.
real names.
Mhm.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
C1,
Okay.
C2 gets confusing.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
I'll do
okay,
that
okay.
one
Right.
also. Yeah, yeah. Then after that, if you
So Harshal, it's best to put the manufacturer number or the model number, whatever. Maybe manufacturer number will be the best choice, I guess, right?
Yeah, yeah. So you need a manufacturer and manufacturer number, right? Because
Okay.
that's
Both.
what you are
Yeah.
selecting here. So you want to
Yeah.
make sure
Mhm.
cartridge type, whatever cartridge you set up with the same
Mhm.
manufacturer and number,
Mhm.
same number.
Yeah.
Because if
So
it's a different number, that is a different model.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have a question. So instead of select the lookup form that customer or vendor, can we select that cartridge manufacturer number, then go by in
No,
that
you
way?
have to, because remember when the cartridge is, when the warranty is generated, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you click on warranty eligible yes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're supposed to see that warranty ID, right? At that
Mm-hmm.
point, it will show the warranty ID. I mean, you can skip it, but I would say you could stick to the process because that's what the
Okay. Yeah.
normal user will do, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you stop at that point. But that what you have is generating the warranty ID, but you
Yes.
haven't proved yet that is unique.
Yeah. Yeah. That part of I'll do that because we explained before that step, that unique one. So I
No, but your
didn't
test case is about warranty ID is unique and
unique and
alphanumeric,
yeah.
right?
So yeah.
So how do you prove it's a unique?
So we
So
need
did
to create
We
it.
yeah.
Yeah, no need to create. It is auto-generated. So Deji, can you little bit move down?
Yeah, it is in the database, right? We'll go to the list and
So actually, I didn't know about the C1 cartridge while it is kind of damaged. So I created in that. I
Which
not
is fine.
created. So
Okay,
I wrote in that way. So C1
sure.
has this one and C2 has this one. And then I compared both of them as a unique and alphanumeric too. So
Right, right. So you need to repeat the same steps for C2
yeah, yeah, C2. So
with
here
a
I wrote
different
that.
cartridge or same identical cartridge. It doesn't matter. You have to specify that, right? Because you
Yeah,
need to
so
click on identical. It clears out all the fields. Then you process another cartridge. See if you are
yes.
getting a unique. I don't see those steps
Oh,
here.
So no, actually I wrote the follow the steps number 5 to step number 10 again repeatedly.
Right,
So
right.
I wrote here.
But see,
So
the problem is
mm,
that it's nothing is saved in the system if you don't click on identical or different or anything, right?
mhm.
oh,
So
I
now
got
it
it.
will give you the most likely the same warranty ID number again.
So
Okay.
one warranty ID is done, then we have to go through the identical process, then create another one. Am I right?
Yes,
Identical or different, it doesn't matter, right?
Doesn't
It's
matter.
doesn't matter.
Yeah,
right.
doesn't matter. Yeah,
But whichever is easier, identical will save you some headache for clearing
yeah,
out
Mhm,
the field, so it's
yeah,
easier.
yeah.
mhm,
So you
Mhm.
can pick the same process, but this time
mhm.
basically generate a different warranty. Let's see if it generates different warranty ID, right?
Okay,
But you have
okay,
to
got
save it. You have to save
mhm.
it.
and why we're doing
Mm.
this, sir? Like so that it will show you whether the same ID exists or what. I mean, I could not get that part. After
No,
doing
because
all, we'll put
it
identical. Yeah.
yeah. So warranty ID shows right after
Yeah.
step number warranty eligible, right? When you
Yes.
click yes, it will show you,
Yeah.
but
Mhm.
nothing is saved in the system at that point.
Yeah, we need to save that one.
Yeah.
You need to save, but only way you can save it by clicking on identical, different from start or whatever,
Okay.
shipment
Okay.
complete or something, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So again,
So
we'll do like identical, and then we'll do, and
Again,
again we'll put
complete the process again,
yeah,
one
again.
more
you have
time.
to complete the process. Yeah. Think
Okay.
like you are a user, right? And you are going
Mhm,
through it. They don't know that they will follow the process what they do normally.
mhm.
Okay. So
So
second time
in
we'll put identical again. Second time.
It's your test case. You can go different or identical, doesn't matter, right?
Then we can
Mhm.
Like
go and check the
all your
number.
purpose is to save the
Find out.
information,
Okay.
yeah.
right?
So
You are not verifying that, hey, if I click on identical versus different, that's not your test case. Your test case
Right
is
now it's not, yeah.
right.
Our
So-
test case is we have to create another warranty
Actually, we
ID
have
to
done
show the
one like that
uniqueness.
also. So all the test cases we have discussed, now it's mixing up. Yeah.
right.
So
But
in that,
you guys understand, right? What
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
trying to
yeah,
say.
yeah,
here.
yeah. Sure.
Mainly,
that-
we have to complete the process to get
Yes.
another warranty ID so that we
Another
can compare both
Compare
the uniqueness.
Yes.
uniqueness,
so
yeah.
in that way, while I created C1 warranty ID and for C2 warranty ID, so can I compare these two? I just say that yeah, it's unique and it's also alphanumeric. That can also I can verify as a uniqueness.
But all the way at the end, right? Because you just note down the warranty ID in step number 11, right?
Mhm,
Or whatever the step number 10. But
mhm.
it's just printing. It's not, nothing is saved, right? So
Same,
you have
yeah.
to go and click on identical
Mhm.
to actually save the information, and then it clears out the field for you,
Okay.
whatever certain fields, and but you repeat the process.
Yes, yes. Yeah, got it.
And then
Again,
you
I
save again and see if
Mm.
both warranty IDs generated are different. at
yeah,
that point.
got it.
Okay, okay.
So
Got it.
after we done with C1, then again the process repeat for
Yep.
C2, then compare. at
That's
the end.
correct.
Yeah,
That-
yeah, got
compare
it.
at the end. Yep, compare at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. But then
Yeah,
there
so
is no
after
place.
10,
Yeah.
yeah, after 10 it will be saved here. Then and number 4, that will I need to add about the weight. And here I 10, yeah. Here I need to add few more steps about weight.
Yes.
Then after 10 I need to add that save. Yeah. Here I
Right.
The repeating process will start after
Repeating
10
yeah,
process.
then
again.
yeah,
again.
that one is already erased and I'm creating new one for C2.
Yep.
Yeah, got it.
So there is no like place where we can see the warranty ID list. or
But
anything?
Harshal, it's a lengthy one.
Well, your screen is complex, right?
Yeah,
You have a lot of
Yeah.
things. Other folks have a
Yeah.
simpler screen, but
Yeah.
your module is a little bit complex. Okay.
Yeah,
But
it's
that's why
Yeah,
you're
as many as C2 and C3, yeah, whatever, it will be has a unique and alphanumeric.
right.
Okay.
right.
So can I
Okay.
write that follow the steps number this much through this one?
No,
So
is there any way in the tool you're gonna do that? No, there is no way.
No, you have to
Okay, you
write
don't
it.
want to take shortcuts. Okay,
okay, got it.
they will pay you for full time, so you're gonna do the work for full time, right?
I thought, yeah, that's why I read right step 1,
Yeah.
step 5 to
Yep.
I got it.
But you
I
can
got it.
copy paste. I mean, copy paste certain things.
Yeah,
if you-
yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. Mhm.
And is there any place where we can see the warranty ID list? Or
Well,
anything?
if you have access to the database or you go to the next module, both warranty IDs will be visible, right, on the warranty screen. You
So
click
is
on
it
that
that
warranty
Can
button.
can we mention that in our test
Yeah,
cases, like
yeah.
at
Go
the
go to
end,
the warranty
query to
module.
uh-huh.
Yeah, go to the warranty module. Whatever login as a different user, maybe
Yeah.
go to the warranty module and see both warranties are displayed and both are unique.
Both, okay. But we have to do both, you are saying. Like if I
Yes.
do one and let's say, okay, it will not work like that.
Yeah.
But Harshal, here we have a warranty. We have a damage cartridge. That's why we are doing warranty. But if it's not a damage, it's a normal weight cartridge.
Then
So
you can't
we'll
have
complete
warranty,
yeah.
right?
So we'll complete the shipment. But my question is, after you complete the shipment,
Mhm.
where we can go? I know one choice is
So
database. Where we can go
right,
to check it?
generally they have reports, right? They run the reports, how many are sitting in the inventory and how many are not warranty eligible and so forth.
Uh-huh.
Okay, your goal is to get the money. Now, if you can't claim the money if it's not warranty eligible,
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
right? If it's warranty eligible, you're gonna continue the process for shipping
Mhm.
and the remaining process and ship those things back so that you can claim the money.
But if not warranty, there is no warranty eligibility is there. Only it's
Then
a
they will
normal
discard it. Yeah,
cartridge. So we'll
ultimately they will discard it. Yeah, those cartridge, recycle
Yeah,
it.
it will be discarded.
See, the whole concept behind this laser saver, like so these guys basically came up with the idea, right, about this system.
Mhm.
And they were reaching out to all the businesses. They say, okay, we're gonna come to your office and collect all the used cartridges for
Used
free.
cartridge, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, And
Oh.
kind of like you go to the Staples and you give them the used ones. And they whatever they do, you don't know, right? But these guys are smart, so they build this system so they can see if they can claim some money out of it.
Oh.
That's what the system is used was used for. So
But if there is no warranty,
then
because
they will
if
throw
it's
it out,
not
right?
damaged, if it's
Yeah.
not damaged, if it's not heavy, so you can just normal cartridge, you can shipment complete, you can do it, right?
Yeah, you can still do. Yeah, because if the 50 cartridges are processed, that means it's gone, right? You don't have
Yeah.
anything. Then
So
you are
where
done
will
with
go and find the record to see that already?
everything is the back end, right? When you say identical, it saves the information and they have a different report to run it. And they'll say, oh, out of 50 cartridges, we can claim warranty for 10. So it's a free money for them because they did not pay a single dime. All they have to do is ship it to the manufacturer or remanufacturer and claim the money. If it's cartridges are expensive business one. They are generally $20 or $30 every cartridge, so they can easily get something, some money out of the 50 cartridge. So
Wow.
okay, so again, you have to validate this way, right, and work through the process. Yep.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
every
now it's clear.
time, so it's going to save in the back end. So how do we need to prove
You
that
don't worry
or
about it.
verify? We don't
No,
have to worry about. Okay.
yeah, because if they have reports, now we don't have a report requirement here in this document, but if I know that they have a separate reporting requirement, which they have running. So that can tell them how many are ready to ship versus how many are discarded, type of thing, basically, and so forth. So that's why they are printing the label, right? They put it right on the cartridge.
Yeah.
So that they know which one they can claim the warranty. Everything else they can discard.
Yeah, so easy to differentiate, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
Yeah,
right.
thanks. And we have another one, that process, another Daisy did. We discussed a lot.
Maybe other teams should take
Yeah.
a chance. Then we can.
I think, but you guys know, right? If you have to modify it, right?
Yes.
Based on what
Yes,
we
yes,
discussed so
yeah.
far, right? And work through it. I'm sure if even if you go one step further, a process identical.
No, that one is little, complicated for all of us. So I thought if you can quickly show. If other team wants to,
Harshal, I have I was going through the document and there are two modules like communication page. What we are going to use that for? What's that for? Communication.
So have you gone through the requirement for it? Communication page? It's I think it's a different functionality in there.
Yeah, it's completely different one.
Yeah. Yep. I mean, every module has a purpose. Okay, so there is a reason they have the modules.
It's a very interesting actually to go through all the modules, and every module has different activity. And there is another one, inventory block.
It's a bulk
updates.
report, right? Bulk updates. So
what is that?
if they make mistakes and they can correct it, but so there is a bulk load feature as well. Like you are doing one by one, they can do like a bulk load in the back end type of
Means
thing.
more
But
than
it's
one?
a page. Yeah, more than one at the same time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. But we didn't give you because it's a little bit confusing from the process standpoint. So yeah.
Oh, okay. Those two completely different ones.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So anybody else wants to review? I know you guys, so you have to correct it, right? Based on what we discussed, make sure you correct it and work through it.
Yeah, we'll do that.
And we'll spend some time on Saturday as well. Okay. So I'll give you guys some time to review each other's and then we'll see.
So since we are here in this stage, Harshal, in the right side, there is a button called Set Defaults.
Right.
So I was curious about it, what it does. So I went through the pages to find it out that how I can use it in my test cases.
But did you find any requirement related to the set defaults?
So I was thinking
on the events or anything?
Say it again, Harshal.
Under events section or business rules?
I was trying the identical. So I
Mhm.
was thinking, if I will do the cartridge set default, is it going to work for the identical or no? That is not the use of set defaults.
Well, did you see the requirement for set defaults anywhere
Oh,
in the document?
requirement.
Specifically this module, right? The module that you have.
Yes,
You
yes,
should have
yes.
something about set defaults.
Set default requirement.
Does it say anything?
No, no. I just want to use it for identical when I was doing the identical one. I
Right.
was thinking to do the
See, here E21 set defaults button allows users to indicate they wish to navigate to the F24. Now, what is
yes.
F24?
So F24 is page number 157.
Okay, all the way
I'm
down,
going over.
157,
Yeah,
right?
it's all of the way down.
Default log.
Yeah, that is the default log. Yeah. But if we'll go to the page number, there is again, it's saying F11. I don't understand why it's saying 2 pages
Okay, let's
for
see
same thing.
F24, right?
This is, yeah, F24.
Okay, so this is a defect log,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
I told you the reports, right? What they do with certain things. So this is more of a report type of requirement that they have, like a type, and who is the vendor and so forth. Basically, what is the warranty ID and so forth. Okay,
Okay.
so it will just take them here, basically, and you can read through the requirement what it does, but it's just printing a report, like a query type of thing.
Oh.
Instead of you writing the
okay.
query, user needs some ability to query the information, right? So that's what this one does.
This one does.
Yeah, this is what the report I was referring to. But there are other reports as well. I think this includes only one example.
Yeah, if you'll go to the A21, it's saying go to F11. So I got confused over there. Page number 35, I'll go here. It's saying clicking on the set defaults button navigates the user to the defaults page, which is F11.
Okay, what is F11?
F11 is, I'm checking, F11 is, I forgot the page number. It's 85.
Okay, so
It's
this is the
talking about
customer
this
and
one. This
vendor
is the
default.
default. Yeah.
Right. Customer and vendor defaults here.
Yeah.
So just to make it easier, they can set up some defaults for the customer. I think if you scroll down a little bit, go to the actually, you could scroll up. I think this is the details page.
This is,
Vendor and customer defaults, right?
yeah, but there is no list view of it or something you are looking for, right?
Right. Is there a list view for this one?
No.
Okay.
Because I was looking for this one, but
Okay.
this is the only page. So after looking at the page, I thought of like where I can use it to do the test cases. I was thinking of.
Yep. So, but it comes here and you can set up some defaults here. So when you pick the same customer next time, it will auto-populate certain things, basically. That's what is the whole idea behind it for customer and vendor defaults.
But this manufacturer and MP, the model number, you need to change it because this is a required field. We can't keep it non.
That's correct. When you save it, that's where it will be, the information will be saved. So when you select the customer next time on that cartridge inventory page, it will automatically populate whatever you selected here as a default.
Oh, first you have to
set it up, set default, right?
Click on the set default, save it, then bring it back again when you're doing the.
Right. Because if the same customer is using just HP cartridges, right? And that's maybe same, they have 500 cartridges of the same kind, then you can just come and set the default, basically. So you don't need to enter every time.
Yeah, there is no point of entering again and again.
Every time, right?
So only you have to change the manufacturer and the model number.
Yep. Well, you can
Oh,
pick whatever you want, MICR, OEM or not, all those things, right? So all the
okay,
fields
okay.
will be populated on the inventory page.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
But you
So
have to
that's the
set
whole
it
idea
first and
behind it.
save it first, then do it.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to set the defaults first. First time it comes, right? You can set the defaults, and next time when the same customer comes, you can it will automatically populate it
Oh,
from
okay.
this whatever you set the default for.
You just have to change the customer over here and save it. It will go. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay. I mean, there are so many functionality, right? I mean, so many modules there, so much functionality in there.
Oh, yeah. If you go to the different module, then
Yes.
it has a different
Yes, that's correct.
activities over there.
That's right. That's right. Okay. So let's see the time check. I think it's 7:36 right now. We can review one more if you guys want
We
from
have
the
a
other team.
warranty ID
Yeah.
lookup button.
So I can
Okay.
stop sharing
Yep.
so that they can share.
Sapna.
Yeah, I will share. Okay.
Okay.
No, Harshal, when
You
you're
guys can
writing
share.
when you're writing test cases, can we do like the SQL style over there? Write it? No, we can do it, right?
No, nobody. I mean, SQL. I mean, I'm not sure SQL style. What you mean by that? But
Like when I was looking for I was working on the filter phrase. It's completely like if you'll do
yeah,
the
that one
right.
is fine. Yep, that
That
one
one
is
we can
fine.
write
But
it.
yeah,
We can write
yeah,
it.
yeah, something
Oh,
like that.
okay.
Whatever makes sense, right?
Okay.
I mean, you can write it. Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Everybody can see.
Yes,
Yes.
Sabina,
Okay.
go ahead.
Yes.
And so this is like a warranty ID, and we have the validate that the correct list is displayed. All generated warranty ID from courteous inventory page that are not processed yet.
Okay.
That's
All right. So where the
yeah.
correct list warranty ID list is displayed. Okay.
Yes. We're going to change these preconditions because we
Sure.
all did the same way.
Sure.
So yeah.
Okay.
So this is also we have to
Remove it,
user
right?
saver is all
Yeah.
yeah. So without that.
Yep.
And the
Okay.
admin, we're going to change the user
Okay.
exist password and okay. So then click on the warranty tab
Okay.
to do the warranty information F04. Okay, do you want to see that?
No, I'm just
That's
looking at
fine.
here,
Okay.
right? So auto-generate warranty ID exists. Now, one thing I would say, you want to be very specific, right?
Mhm.
Again, the same thing what we discussed earlier here, because let's take a look at the step number 6. Okay, 5. Okay,
Fine.
so click
Okay.
on warranty ID lookup field, display all generate warranty ID from the cartridge inventory page. Now, what happens if nothing is displayed when it opens the screen? Is your test case gonna fail?
Yes.
What if there is no warranty ID in the system? Specific warranty ID. So you said auto-generated warranty ID exists. Now, which one? What are you expecting in the list, right?
Yeah.
Again, the same concept goes back, okay?
No.
Because you want to be specific, you might have to repeat the steps here. Hey, I create a couple of warranty IDs and they are showing up in the list. That's the only way you can verify,
Mhm. Okay.
right? Because it sounds very simple test case right here.
Yeah.
But again, I mean, if you want to be very specific, I mean, you have to co-create the warranty IDs and
Mhm.
come to this screen and then make sure you are verifying. Those
Okay.
two IDs that you just created are showing up in the list.
Okay. Okay.
So you are saying we have to go to the cartridge inventory page?
Yep. Yeah,
They-
your screen is very
Yeah.
tightly integrated with that screen. Okay, very
Mhm.
closely. So I mean, otherwise, I don't know how you can repeat this without data. I mean, if you don't put data, yes, you can logically you can repeat it.
Yeah.
Logical stepwise, it's correct. But
Oh.
when you write the actual details, you probably won't be able to repeat.
Yeah.
Oh. And still, Herschel, we are confused. Like, how we gonna validate this? Like, is going in somewhere like a warranty processing list? We have to go check it.
No, why you don't need step number 6, right? All you are doing is, hey, can I see the IDs,
Okay.
warranty IDs? Are all the warranty IDs showing up in the list or not, right? That's
Okay.
all you are verifying. You are not saying I need to process this or do anything else.
Okay.
So you click on 3 dots,
Mhm.
whatever IDs I see has to be correct. It's a
Oh.
correct list or not, right? That's what you are verifying.
Okay.
So in order to
Whatever
do
we are
that, yeah, you have to
creating.
go create few, and they
Mhm.
all need to show up over there, right?
Okay,
Okay.
okay, got it.
That's a concept, I mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you just need to put that in the steps,
Oh yeah, I will. Thank you.
right? Okay. All right. I mean, logically it is correct, but when you actually write the details a little bit, now you need to think a little bit further how I can actually come up with the
It
test data and how I can verify it.
It looks
And-
simple, but so
yeah,
many things are
yeah.
there.
And never add unnecessary steps. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember your goal. Your goal is to validate that you are validating the list is correct.
Okay.
That's it.
So here, number 2, 3 means they need to create find out the warranty ID for cartridge.
Not
Some
find out. They
cartridge.
have to go and create it on the
Create
They
cartridge.
it.
create
Okay,
it.
yeah.
They have to create
So
it.
here
They have to-
warranty ID create means it's not auto-generated.
It is, but
It is auto-generate, but we have to put the data.
Yeah,
For
yeah,
the way-
exactly. So you
And-
need to find out the warranty ID for cartridge for C1, then C2, then put that in a here lookup button and find that warranty ID is not coming or not. Is that where they are going to test or?
I mean, whatever test data, whatever cartridges they will pick, maybe they will pick
Yeah.
HP 1, 2, 3, 4. Who knows, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And
Then
they will go through that. They will assume that screen is working. Okay.
yeah,
And
yeah,
they
yeah.
are able to generate. That's the only thing they need to assume. And they
Then
just
they
need to,
search. Yeah,
whatever steps they want to follow, maybe damage one, who knows, right? To create
Yeah.
the warranty IDs.
yeah.
Instead of going the scale route, they can just pick the
Mhm.
damage route and
Mhm.
generate the warranty IDs. And
Then they need
then
to
come to the screen
look up.
here.
You know, Arcel, what happened? Because it's written auto-generated, so we all
Everyone thought it
thought
is
that
auto-generated.
we don't need anything and the system is going to generate it.
Wow,
True,
there
we
is no
do.
magic. Okay, remember that there is no
Yeah,
magic,
that's
right?
true. That's true. Yeah.
So somebody has to test it, and you will be
Yeah.
the lucky ones. Okay.
Yes.
Like
Even
we-
including you have to validate that it's auto generated. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Oh, we
Like,
have to. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
yeah, if
So,
you are able to
We
type it
always
in,
go through the
yeah.
statement like weighing scale is there. If not there, then you have to put. We're so much into that that we never thought this could be so important. Yeah. True.
right.
Every line
Okay.
is important of requirements.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
What you are doing and what you are saying, it need to be same.
So I think you guys got the idea. I think right.
Yeah.
At
Yeah.
least
Now this one
to-
is clear.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I think the process wise, it's just the same process you are repeating. Okay. It's nothing new. I think now you have done couple of on the one module, couple in the other modules. It's same concept will apply everywhere.
Yeah.
Mm.
And
No
thank
matter
you,
what
Harshal, for
module.
explaining us with so much of patience because all of us is asking the same question actually in different way. Yeah.
No, I mean I understand. I mean
Yeah.
because we have gone through like so many camps earlier. These are same questions folks will have. But I can tell you, you guys are doing a lot better. Okay, you guys are
Thank-
actually going further than what we have seen in the past. So
Thank you.
all right. So let's do one thing, right? I'll let you guys work through. So we'll come back on Saturday, and I'll let you guys review. Maybe spend in another hour to flush out any other details, but make sure finish up what you have, at least. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct it, and maybe if you have time, work through more. But let's see, at least have five or six or whatever, right? I'm assuming you guys have it, right? 5 or 6
Yeah. Yeah.
test
Yeah,
cases.
We all
Yeah.
have, yeah.
We have.
And if you haven't worked on different module, maybe think about that module as well.
Yeah.
right? Because you all have 2 modules.
Yes.
So yeah, it will help you. Okay, I mean, those things will help you.
Yeah,
True.
everything is
True.
connected. So
It
Right,
needs
right.
some time because this one, while doing the scenario, we three discussed so much. So
Right,
this
right.
module was quite clear to us, and then
Yeah,
definitely.
so the way it will work, okay, after Saturday, okay,
Yeah.
we are not done. I mean, we have to have an end date, right?
Yeah.
Specific end date for certain things.
Yeah.
So we will wrap up on Saturday, but
Yeah.
generally what we do is if you guys are interested, we will set up a touch base meetings on Saturday morning or Sunday morning to review.
after this Saturday,
Yes,
right?
after this Saturday. Yep.
Okay.
For another 2 weeks or 3 weeks, basically. Okay, so you
Means
can
in
continue working
person?
on the project. No,
Uh-huh.
it will be Zoom meetings. You don't have to come on the
Okay,
for
okay.
that one.
Okay.
And it
Oh,
will be a
that's
short one. Okay, we will not go more than hour and a half for that
Uh-huh.
one.
oh
Uh-huh.
It
yeah,
will
that will
more
be.
be a review type of
Yeah.
thing. So you continue working on the project work and finish
Mhm.
up as a team.
Yeah, good.
Okay,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure everybody will do that. So you just need to figure out who will continue working on that and work through that. If nobody shows up, then we'll stop.
Yeah.
On the Saturday.
We'll
Yeah,
definitely do
yeah.
the test.
So,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
after 15, after 3 weeks, every Saturday, Zoom meeting, right?
Saturday or Sunday. Okay, I'll let you guys
Okay,
know what
okay,
time
okay,
works best.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, but it will be generally in the morning. So
Morning,
maybe
okay.
around like a 10 to 11 or something like that. So that
We
it's
love
not
to
too early.
come,
Yeah.
Harshal. We need
We
to
have
come.
so many
Yeah.
doubts. So
Yeah.
Yeah, we have
So
so
we
many.
can.
Like we
What-
wanted to know that the other one, like we have a big one we have written.
Yeah,
Saturday
so
we
I
just-
want you guys to work through that, right?
Yeah.
So, but let's flush out what you have done so far.
Mhm.
On Saturday, if you can get started on a second module, that's great. If not, you will get a chance to work through it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Harshal, we are getting the website or
The
we'll get it
URL.
later?
If you are
URL
in the
and-
class, then we can get you that. But I need to see. Okay. But important part is not the website. Okay.
Okay,
You're gonna
okay.
do it execution part, and that's
Okay.
the repetitive process. And you're gonna create the
Mhm.
bugs and so forth. But this is important part. Okay. What we are discussing is a lot more important than the execution.
Yes, you're right.
So-
Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah. So don't worry about that part. If we have it and over there, but we may or may not get to it. Okay.
Harshal, I'll be online as I told you before.
Yeah. You're fine.
I'll be
Um,
online.
I think your
on
team
Saturday.
will be there, so you can still continue working through
Yes,
if you want.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. I will online. I'll work on it, but
yeah,
I'll not in person. But
certainly. All right. Okay, so let's stick to the plan, and we will regroup on Saturday, right? Saturday morning, 9 o'clock, and work through it because we will talk about few other things as well. So, yep, on Saturday.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
okay,
All right.
Harshal.
All right
Okay.
then. Okay, see you guys on
See you all.
Saturday then.
Yeah,
Yep.
see you on
Okay.
Saturday.
Yeah.
All right.
Everybody have a good night.
Bye,
Harshal,
good
good
night.
night.
Bye
All
bye.
right.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye.